I'm a Yankee. I'm from upstate Western New York. When I was about 10 years old, I went to a summer camp and I did a cooking class with them, and it was all about historic cooking. And I remember walking in from camp at the end of it and telling my mom, I want to be a chef when I grow up. I ended up going to school in Charlotte, North Carolina. I wasn't able to stay local because I didn't have a good program like PVCC available to me. So I went through my associates in baking and pastry, and then I did a bachelor's in food service management. And I've bounced through Virginia learning Southern food in Southern ways. I like to think that my capital Y Yankee has turned to a lowercase y. I've been here about 10 plus years now. The beauty of food is you can break down barriers with anybody. It's a great way to communicate our culture, our history. Just the fact that a simple meal can convey all of those things to somebody, I think is amazing.